Hi guys, my name's Ian Coombs. I'm the head coach of Dragons Wheelchair Rugby. It's fantastic that we've been asked to be part of the virtual insport event. I'm just going to go through some quick drills that you can do at home. And if you're interested in joining Wheelchair Rugby afterwards, then come and search for Dragons Wheelchair Rugby. So the first one we're going to do is just a simple chest pass against the wall. So you take the ball and you're going against the wall and then receiving the ball back. So what you're trying to do is trying to pick a spot on the wall and trying to hit that spot at every time. And then just some nice short extensions, ready? Really short extensions from the arm, like so. And if you do want to make that exercise harder, you can move it back a touch. So or then forwards.